Okay, let's see how we do this transparent type address type 2 or whatever thing. Okay, so we want a new encoding for our transparent address that can be decoded and converted back and forth to regular transparent addresses, and would indicate that we are talking about something that should only accept transparent sources. So this is going to be specific to Zcash, and therefore we need to have a flag in this guy to mark this functionality. All right, so let's say this is going to be bool get. Oh, don't not do it this way. Let's do it as this returns a prefix, and the prefix is optional. T2 prefix. Let's call it this way. Okay, and then that makes all these guys are missing the implementation. Let's do it here quickly. And that's gonna be no. Don't need that. Just it's fine. And then Zcash. Zcash test. Okay, Zcash would be something. And I can choose whatever I want. We'll choose T2. Okay. Then we need a way to convert from that guy to T and vice versa. So that would be a function, and the function from functions are here. Native mass package should be package somewhere. This one. Okay. So static string convert T2. Take a string. Original origin. Let's call it address. And then the direction. Direction will be to or from. So it's from. It's Boolean. And we return unwrap result string. And then we call wow PILib convert T2 address. And then we have a coin. Should have a coin. We have a coin actually. No, we should pass a prefix string. String fix T2 prefix. Okay, so then we pass two native. Then there are two strings and the boolean. So boolean will be 1 or 0. And here that address and T2 prefix. Okay. So this function is missing. And then we go to the bridge. Okay, here. Where I should put it. This is ledger stuff. Okay, it's below ledger. It's the name of the function. We have a no mango. We have plug and save. Extern C. Standard stuff. And we have returning a C result. That means a string. Okay, and but we take a string was address. I will take a prefix. That's why it's addressable here. Take a prefix. And we take from as a boolean. Right. It looks a bit odd here. There's F missing here. Alright, then we have to unpack the two strings from string address. This is just a boilerplate crap. Nothing interesting really. And then over this is the yeah, classic result stuff. And then I'm recording some stuff. Results.
Voice record or
Voice record. And then key to create, key to convert, key to address, prefix from. That's our result. We can do a question mark here. And this is results. Okay, so we're missing this one. I'm gonna just put in key 2. Okay, here for example. We're saying is anyhow result string. And these guys are string slices. This one was a boom. So let's put as to do for a moment. Right. So that stuff should compile. Okay. That doesn't really compile because string from sys small macro. Okay, so far so good. So what we want to do is this guy here. If it's from, and there's else. Okay, it's from. It means we are converting from T2 to T. Right, so T2 to T. T2 is a PEC 32, right? So we have to do PEC 32 decode, and then the string itself. String will be address, and okay, and this returns the prefix, the bytes, and the variant. And then we have to assert, well, not basically assert, but we have to check that P should be equal to prefix. Otherwise, fail. Because it's a invalid prefix. And then if that's the case, we have PKH is B2 from base64 from what is this U5 stuff? Back32. Perfect. I want a vector of U8. We have B to okay, how to convert. From base 32. Base. Let me see. P cache equal P base 32.
I
Yep. You need help?
yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so blah, 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 blah. Alright, so the question is, this guy works on what? PKH base 64. Yeah, this going to work. Let's do it. No, to do still. Okay. Then that leaves us unknown. Unless that doesn't work then. Base 32. What's the method then? From base 32. Takes U5. Alright, so I see. The syntax is vect U8. Okay, let's see if that works. Alright, so I have to add use use and then probably the other way to base 32. Okay, so we have that. What's the error? Yeah. Oh, of course we need B here. B as that's this guy. A reference to U5. Yep. Then the question mark should be fine. Now we're back to UI. Now we can do well, I think we need a network. We need network so that we can have the encode guy. Encode transparent address. Transparent address. Okay. What is that guy? Alright. Alright. Alright, so we need a transparent address. The address, transparent address. Right. So the public key. The public key is this PKH that we try into. And we better work and wrap. Okay. And now we do parameters network. And address is the address. Okay. This gives us a string. So that's the result. That's the converted address. And then we can put it outside like that. On the comma, yeah. Okay, that's one path. Second path is the opposite. So now we take, we have the decoder. So I'll see if it is a decode transparent address. And then we have public key version, script version S. There's nothing like that. Oh, this is better. More symmetrical. It takes pub key version, script version. Okay, that's perfectly fine. And network has pub key version. And then network has UCT script version. And then what? Okay, address off. Address off. And then same thing here. So I'll take these two guys, put them here, and decode this address here. What do I get? Result. Okay, so first we do this. And then we have option of transparent address. Okay, so if it's not guy, we got an error. Not transparent address. And question mark again. And it's gonna give us a T address. Alright, so we are here. And this T address better be let pkh equal transparent address to that. Public key pkh equal the address. Right, let the address else bell. T1 address. Key hash. Okay. And then, oh, so now we are PKH. And then we just have to put in code P32 and code with prefix. This guy has to be data. Data has to be PKH. PKH 2 base 32 and the variant back 32M. Okay. What do we get here? We should get a string. So question mark. And then we have our converted address. And then we just have to do OK. OK, converted address. Alright. So that's our function. Compare this. Oh, I added an argument. I added the network. Network is not in API. Convert the address. Alright, so let's put coin. And then here we do C equal point config get coin. And then we can have the network being C chain, not network. I just pass network. Alright, let's switch to full screen. Alright, so now that we're here, we can copy the binary and we can generate the dot bindings here. Okay. Then back here. Alright, there's error here because coin is missing. So to pass coin. Okay, other than that, that sounds good. So now I have this function convert T2. And all I need to do is okay, use this. So as an example, I will make the main screen queue address return the T2 address. So here it returns when case address mode is 1, it falls to here and it gets address of type 1, which is gonna be the address. But now what we want to do is different. We want to get the T address. So this remains the same. with one, and yeah, and then call warp API dot convert T2. Coin is a coin. Address is gonna be T address. And prefix is gonna be our coin actually. So AA dot blah 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 blah. So coin def here. Okay. So that's final coin def coin. So AA dot coin. Prefix is know if it has a prefix T prefix. Right. So is a T2 prefix. Yeah, if T2 prefix is not known, then we do this conversion. The T2 prefix, and are we doing from? No, it's going to, so it's going to be false. I hope I didn't get it wrong. So false because we're going to T2. Let's see. Two. This from is through here. So we're converting from decode address pixel T2. I got it wrong. It's from means from T2. I know it's right. From T2. So I decode T2 and to T2. So false should be false. It should be here. I'm passing false. Yeah. And I'm returning this guy. Otherwise, I return the address. Okay. All right. Right now, we can't run it. Okay, it's building. Okay, what I want to see is in the what? Well, debug builds are very slow. Alright, so I want to see that in TRS T220 T221. Yeah, seems to be okay actually. T2 something something something. So this is our address now. Let's change the prefix to something different. Where is it? Yeah. Let's call it I don't know. TT. Whatever. And then we stop. In the meantime, read these. How to scan doesn't work. Are we there yet? No. Too many things happening here. And there's a video capture, there's a compilation, and there's dot compilation. It's probably this guy who's taking a lot. Anyway, T, as we want. Okay, I was so slow. Alright, so UA, diversify, orchard, sampling, TT. Alright, so this is our new address. And let's copy that guy. Okay, so what we want is that if you send to this address, okay, if you send to a UA, if you send to UA, you get everything selected here. And we send to a TT address. Right, so if we paste a TT address, we want to have only this guy selected. So that's not the case, of course, now. Didn't write any code for it. But I'm going to save this TT address and implement that logic. So that logic is in send and it's in on address, which is a callback for when we receive an address. Normally now we have else and we just set the address. So what we want is to do something more sophisticated, and we say what do we say? Well, we say WAP API. We try to convert T2 a coin. V is our address. T2 prefix is well, should get the point actually. Fine. T2 prefix coins. This is a bit hackerish still. Coins. It doesn't have coins. Okay. T2 prefix. Alright. Let's do this if T2 prefix is not known. So I do a let T2 prefix. Alright. WAP and from. Is it from? Yes, it's from. Okay, so we try to WAP from T2, and we have to put a try catch because there will be many cases where it's not. And if we catch something, then not a problem. If not, if it's indeed a T2, then we say pools equal 1. We lock the pools equal 1, and we say that the pools are locked. equal true. Okay. That's just so that uh, people can't change the pools. Well, we don't really have to do it now, but yeah, okay, let's not do it now. So there's a prototype to do. Lock pool selection. Okay. And for now, just leave it like that. Right. Let's restart this guy's compiler. Well, not even. Allez, let's try it now. Okay, get it. So what's working here? OBS, stupid. Okay, B. Copy target release. Yeah, this one. Um, Alright, so how to full lock? Probably does need a function. That's it. Open. Right. Okay, so if we send to this one, we should have everything available. Spendable 0.50, some of this. Now back and we send to uh, where's my yeah, this guy. This guy. And you can see spendable is only 10. I have to update this guy. Alright, so the bug is that this guy is not updated. Boom, boom, boom. So we updated pools, but this guy here with pool section, quick setting pools. I actually thought it would be updated late in. Why? He should repaint this guy. Let's catch asset state. Events won't change. Stop repainting this guy. I'm not sure it's doing anything actually. 0.50. Like this on the paste. It's changing this guy. Okay. Section. Change. Da, da, da. Me print this guy. Yeah, it's one. Continue building one. Could be one. Maybe this guy is not. He's not. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of these weird stuff where you cannot change it directly like that. Um, yeah. Okay. Where's our? We want to change programmatically this guy. I selected the field value to change the value, and the value is from the field is a set. Okay, I think the workaround is to say uh, set value here. Yeah. We need a set value. Set value. Oh, set value. And then you do this guy. And then Then you do yeah, I need a key. I need a key here, but yeah, some crazy stuff like that. This guy, set a bit. Mm, peanut peanut kind state. Bang. Value change. Did value change? Did change. Equal set. The key. Mm, mm, super lucky. Mm, then mm, took on the other guy some four section key. I think I don't need that guy anymore. Dot state set value. Okay, try again. So if I paste this address here, there you go.